Habai rai langgawai ke sur haying dorbar thawan ke jela hanin ke sengi halor ke Jngiarai ban Pyrshah ye ke jingti ye marpo khandau uranium habapoi ke bynta jongba Charles Marngar wadi MLA ke Mawhati constituency na Ri Bhoi district ulong babaro ke pajba hapo ke jela Meghalaya ke Pyrshah ban ti ya uni uranium mentala bun snem bat ulong bakani kamde shu kamat ke bathamai bani kren henry ke kamat kabala bon snem bat la bon tili ki ki bagi pagba ki la perlong rengkat ki jing Pyrshah jong ki kenhon paper bat shushu ulong balada Sorkar bamenta kamshim mi ki sinjam ban pha dag resolution leni ki rai jong ying dorbar jong Sorkar Meghalaya sya ka Sorkar pedeng onom tipshu bahadu sakat no snem ki jing slam bagi pagba ki hab ban am ul airu ke Jngiaroh ya ke Sorkar jela ha ke Jngilam jong menteri rangba bat ki sembut menteri rangba bat borok ki menteri Sorkar ki bala Shim khia ye ke ngamat Pyrshah ti uranium bat banwanra ye ke resolution hapo ke ying dorbar bat ulong ro ba ke suk ban kren halor ki mat la ne ki issue hendrai don kampat ke Jngilam ke baklan ban Shim de sinjam gi baklan bat ban bu sa jingken mau ya ke resolution hapo ke ying dorbar bat ushania bagan neg resolution kan ai jinghon ye ki pajba jong jela Meghalaya barok kawai
against the mining of uranium in the state of Meghalaya. Madam Chairperson, we all know that many people in our state have opposed uranium mining for many years. This is not a new issue. It has remained a matter of serious concern for the people of Meghalaya for a very long time. Madam, I would like to make an important point before this august house. If the present government had not taken the initiative to bring and pass this resolution, I do not know how much longer our people would have had to wait for such a clear and firm decision. Therefore, I sincerely appreciate the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and the entire cabinet for taking up this very important issue and bringing this resolution before this House. Mr. Chairman, sir, it is easy to speak about an issue, but it requires political will, courage, and leadership to take a decision and put it on record through a resolution of this august house. That is why I believe that this resolution is significant. It gives confidence to our people, and the concerns are being heard at the highest level of the government. Chairman, sir, in this government, I see hope. I have confidence that issues which directly affect the lives, welfare, land, and future of our people will be taken seriously and addressed by the present government. We may have differences of opinion on many matters, but when an issue concerns the larger interests of Meghalaya and the future of our people, we must stand together. Uranium mining is not merely an issue of today. Whatever decision we take will also affect the generation that come after us. Therefore, we have a responsibility to protect the interests of our people, our land, our environment, and our future generations. Once again, Mr. Chairman, sir, I sincerely appreciate the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, the Cabinet and the Government for the leadership and for bringing this important resolution before this House. With these few words, Mr. Chairman, sir, once again, I, on behalf of the people of the state, I wholeheartedly support the government resolution opposing uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. With this few words, Mr. Chairman, sir, thank you so much. I resume my seat. Thank you.